Hello, today we will guide you through how to search dataset in Kaggle. To begin, open Kaggle in your web browser. Kaggle is a popular platform for data science, machine learning, and AI, and it includes a large collection of public datasets that you can explore for practice, research, or project work. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so navigation feels easier as you move through the site. Next, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Data Hub. This section is where Kaggle organizes data-related resources, making it the main place to go when you want to discover available data. If you are new to the platform, this area is especially useful because it helps separate datasets from other Kaggle content, like competitions, notebooks, or discussions. After that, click on Datasets. This will bring you to the Dataset Discovery area, where you can search through Kaggle's library of shared data. This page is designed to help you quickly find data by topic, popularity, or relevance, depending on what you need. Once you are on the Datasets page, go to the search bar and type in a keyword, such as sample. This is the fastest way to look for a specific kind of dataset. When entering a search term, try using words that clearly describe the subject you are interested in. For example, broad terms may return many results, while more specific keywords can help narrow things down. After typing your term, review the results that appear and look for titles or descriptions that best match your needs. If you do not want to search by keyword, you can also browse manually by clicking through the page and scrolling. This is helpful if you are still exploring ideas or if you want to see what kinds of datasets are currently featured or trending. As you scroll, pay attention to dataset titles, short descriptions, and any visible details that help you decide whether a dataset is relevant. That's all it takes to search for datasets in Kaggle. You can either use the search bar for a direct approach or browse through the listings if you prefer to explore. Both methods are useful, and over time you may find that combining them helps you discover better results more efficiently. Thanks for following along, and you should now be ready to find the datasets you need on Kaggle.